initiates his way down to the starting line. We still have the question as to whether Dennis Anderson, with the help of all the other monster truck drivers, can get Grave Digger repaired in time, as Equalizer is now being staged.
Gary, I'm out here in the pit area. Anderson's in the truck. He's firing it up, so he should be coming in any minute.
Track official Tracy Smart now with the stopwatch. Only so much time to get that truck into the arena. We are watching. There he is. And listen to the crowd. They are on their feet as Grave Digger arrives. So Dennis Anderson and David Morris going head-to-head for the championship here in Roanoke. Equalizer against Grave Digger.
And the only thing Grave Digger's got going against him right now, Gary, is he's running in a lane that he has not run in yet tonight.
So Dennis Anderson backs in the staging area. We can see the concentration now on the face of David Morris from our in-cab camera as Anderson continues to straighten out the Grave Digger and stage for the championship shootout.
One thing, Grave Digger, he's got to move around a lot there because he does not have rear steering on that vehicle. One of the few trucks that does not have the rear steering.
David Morris has staged. Grave Digger now is staging. Watch for the green light. This is the championship here in Roanoke. Grave Digger almost up on his nose and into the side of Equalizer.
Oh, we're not sure exactly what happened there. Grave Digger got a bad start. It kind of fell on his face when he took off that hill, but he just poured on the power. Being in the air like that, he started going over towards the Equalizer's side, and he just couldn't stop in time, so they collided. But nobody's hurt down here.
Yeah, there's a shot inside the cab right now, and you can see maybe a smile on the face of David Morris. He apparently will get the victory. He looks out, says, "I'm okay," and he's about to climb out. Here's a look again coming right at you.
As you can see where Anderson got too far over there, there was nothing he could do. He just clipped the rear tire of Equalizer and then right into the side of the cab. Luckily, no one flipped over and no one was hurt.
And here's that run again from inside the cab with David Morris. You saw him glance over for the start. He nails the hammer. He's over the cars now, and watch, here comes the impact from Grave Digger right there. No one is hurt, and you'll see a big grin coming up momentarily on the face of David Morris. Here's Army with Dennis Anderson.
Dennis, when are you going to learn to drive that truck? I don't know. That was one wild ride. You know, sitting at the line, Army, and all night long I've been building the motor up because the motor's got a stumble in it with those big carburetors I'm running, and I know better. And I sat there at the line, didn't bring the motor up like I wanted to, and it made me look like I was sleeping at the line. So then I just killed it, tried to get, trying to run after him. And that was the first time I'd run that lane all night, too. Really, I should have switched over and tried that lane, but I just got in a real serious nosedive, and the motor went dead on me, and I ran over, and I guess he was coming my way, and I was going his way, too. But anyhow, we locked horns, and this is where we ended up.
This is 1990 Renegade monster truck racing, isn't it?
That's right. If you can't beat them, you got to kill them, I guess.
And Rich is standing by with our winner, David Morris.
First thing, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, I seen you looking over like, how far up is he going to come? But it looks like he did quite a bit of damage to your truck. You think you're going to be able to get it running again for the next show?
I'm not sure. We'll just have to get out and see what all's done to it. I don't know. I noticed we got a big cut in our tire here.
But at least you won it. Congratulations to you.
Thanks.
It's a hard way to do it, but hey, good luck.
I figured he was going to run over me.
A look once again from the cockpit with David Morris as he nails the hammer, and here is your championship run that ends with a collision past the finish line. And here comes the impact from Dennis Anderson and Grave Digger. No harm done, no injuries. What a way to finish here in Roanoke, Virginia. So for Army Armstrong and Rich Hooser, I'm Gary Lee. So long from Roanoke.